What's up, YouTube? Got a little piece of wood out here. We're gonna shoot it with this little AR-15. Then we're gonna go split it, find out where the bullet's at, how far it went. I tried to do this a couple times. Sometimes can't find the bullet. Got a piece of cedar right here. It might go all the way through it. And my gun's not loaded. Gotta put some ammo in it. Cedar not that hard. I don't think it'll go all the way through it. It's probably about 8 inches, 10 inches thick. We're gonna put about 4 rounds in it. See what she does. We're just shooting these, nothing special. Cheap stuff from Walmart. Gonna see what she does. Fire in the hole. Might be going all the way through it. Ooh, like it had some doo-doo on it. If I even hit it, I don't even know if I hit it. I ain't trying to be no sharpshooter. Looks like we got 4 shots. Looks like 2 of them went all the way through. Look right there. Look at that. Went all the way through it. I don't even know if there'd be any need to split it. Look how thick that is. It went through the thick part too, look. I don't know, we'll go split it. We'll go split it, see if we can find some bullets. See what they look like. Need to be splitting up some firewood, but I ain't been doing it. Had other things been going on, but I got plenty. Hopefully it's at least 30 cord. Hopefully it will be 40, be even nicer. That'd be 80 truckloads, 60, 80 truckloads. That would be good. We're gonna get this splitter going. We're gonna see if the bullets are still in there. We got one right there. Some of them did go all the way through, but not that one. Started in this end. 8.5 inches. 8.5 inches into some softwood. Even though cedar is pretty hard, it's a softwood. We're gonna have some more videos coming soon. I got a few more ideas about some stuff I'm gonna shoot. I'm trying to think about stuff people ain't already shot. You look on YouTube, people shot everything. We're gonna try to find some stuff people ain't shot. If you don't forget, if you're stopping in for the first time, subscribe, hit that like button. Thank you.